Brad's house. Nothing special. Just another dump in Long Beach. You know, I call home. Today, let's look at all the junk that I gotta fix. Welcome back, guys. I know it's been a long time, but had a lot of things going on. As you guys are gonna see later on, we had to redo the garage, had some termite damage, had to slow some things down, get some things fixed. But it was a good thing because I hadn't cleaned out my garage in forever. And let me tell you, spring cleaning, dumpsters were full and the garage is empty. Today, we're working on my favorite, or least favorite car, the 240. We've been working on it a lot lately, as you guys have seen, and we're almost ready to go to dyno. We are seriously maybe a dyno date away. It hasn't failed, and I probably shouldn't say anything about that, knocking on wood. It's been running really good. Everything has worked. It doesn't leak. It drives great. We'll take it for a spin, but it has some ancient, I don't know how old coilovers on it, and we went ahead and got some max speeding rod coilovers. You guys can all remember the Seamer Slammer, the old Honda that we have out front. That car was done a year and a half ago with the same brand, same version of these max speeding rods. That car is driven daily, a minimum of 40 miles a day, and still rides great, still works great, and that's why we got another set of them. Now, as you guys know, they're not no $1 million coilovers. These are a very affordable. They're actually like priced under $400 for most cars, and they have adjustability for height, they have adjustability for dampening, as well as they have a decent spring rate. Not trying to sell them to you guys. They are affordable. We do have a discount on our website for you guys for that, or a link on our website for you guys, but we're going to go ahead and do the normal YouTube install, and I'm just going to pick them up and throw them on the car and they're going to go. Nah, that's just kidding. I'm going to show you guys how quick and easy I remember doing this, because I haven't done this in a year or two, and hopefully it'll take me less than an hour, so we can start the time clock. Click, and we're going to go. We have our wheel socket. We have a 17, 14, 12, 10, 17 open end, and a 12 open end. That was a guess. Hopefully not going back to that toolbox again. We're going to jack the car up, throw the stands in it, and then we'll do a box opening, I guess. Old dude just taking us part of the shop. Put these on, please. Alright. Okay. That matters. And everybody's favorite, RV. This little gun's badass. We're definitely not sponsored by Milwaukee, but that little guy is worth its weight in gold. Oh, actually, I guess I should put a jack underneath there. That's good for the grant. The ultimate plan is to take this motor out and put it in a really nice holder. Heck yeah. Here we go, it's gonna fall. Alright, so this is going gone. That's what I said. And there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. I was so scared right now, I'm not even gonna lie, and I'm probably a kook for this. But I was like, I hope they have the camber plates. They probably all have camber plates. You're looking at me confused. And probably there's people here that have the same thing. Camber plate, for everybody who doesn't know, is the adjustment that these Allens are doing. They're moving this over and back. Bigger thing to look on these now, and normally they're not, is lefts and rights. They're usually universal. This looks like this side. To me, that bracket's on the wrong side. See this bracket? So let's look at the other one and see if it matches. Meaning this strut's really, really long. And this one, it's inside. So this strut's kind of short. So interested to see what the difference is. But as I said, new nuts. 14s, 17s. Let's put it back in. Thanks again, Max Speeding Rods. Great products, you guys. No lie, this stuff works. This is adjusted, and I want to put this adjustment pretty much the same as that one that I'm putting in, so that when we go to alignment, we're somewhere similar to where we were. So just for shits and giggles to tell you guys, I look at the edge of the washer on the side and there's a bunch of hash marks, and I counted how many they were, and I did the same as that's down there. So what the one that I took off, I put the washer in the same amount of hash marks as the one I put on, just so that we're somewhere close to the alignment. Sorry.
Hello. I have arrived. There we go.
You might all recognize the princess.
Yes. Thank you for noticing.
We all work for her somewhere down the road. This is what's happened when you deal with these fucking POS cars. That's point of sale cars. You're always chasing your ass. Like one thing you fix, and there's another one. Oh, there it goes.
Down, look at that. A new.
A new. Going racing. Gary, I'm wearing your Booty Hustler shirt. You guys can buy it at bootyhustlers.com. Even though he doesn't invite me to the track. Nice.
I hope we find them.
Well, that means the front's done. We're back. We're to the back. She's got her back to us. And now we're doing the simple. These ones are actually way easier. There's no adjustment here. There's only the height adjustment. 2 bolts on top, 1 bolt on bottom. So these are a big slam bam, thank you ma'am. As you guys see in the background, I'll just explain now. An old passion that's bringing back to us. I've been riding since I was 3 years old. I actually rode a motorcycle before a bicycle. And now my son is riding. So my 15-year-old son, soon to be 16, this is 200 DR. This is my DRZ 400. And then Maya Pumpkin, that's her XT250, as well as her R6. And then as you guys know, that's her 240. We do have a parking issue that we need to work on.
No.
Mike,
Right, there's no parking issue.
there might be a parking
There's no
issue
parking.
that we're working on. A lot of
There's no
people
parking
have
issue.
problems in, like, you know, relationships with others, maybe miscommunication and other stuff, but here we have parking issues. Damn, it does not like this battery already. I need to grab the other battery already. And this is the newest addition to our household. You guys have all watched our old videos. We had a really big dog, a Doberdane, Charlie. We miss her dearly. Oh, puppies. And now we got a new, this isn't a St. Bernard like everybody thinks. This is a great Pyrenees, Great Pyrenees. She's gonna be a big cuddle bug. She's like a cotton ball right now.
So
This
soft.
is 6 weeks old, and she's like already like 20 pounds.
Out with the old, in with the new.
Let's see what height wise we are at. Top of the thing. Ho, 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 ho. We go way low. Alright, so we're going to measure that. My precise measuring tool. Look, the shaft's thicker and longer.
That's what she said. They're a little bit beat.
What's that?
They're a little beat.
They're slight. Put your nuts on, so we're done. Likes to hide under the Christmas tree. Alright, this one's ready for your nuts.
I want to do that. You so stressful.
So I fired it up. We're going to slam it down on the ground. And me and the cameraman are taking for a spin. See if she doesn't rub, rock, or whatever. And that means if we're invited, we're going to be ready for the May 29th, whatever. Drift event. I can go drive. And that's it. And you can tell we have no room for bike parking either. So see you next time.